India and the United States share a deep and evolving strategic partnership built on democratic values, mutual interests, and growing defense collaboration. Over the years, this relationship has strengthened significantly, with defense cooperation becoming a key focus area. India's Prime Minister's recent visit to the United States marked a new chapter in these ties. In a major development, U.S. President Donald Trump announced an increase in military sales to India, including the potential offer of advanced F-35 stealth fighter jets. The announcement came during a joint press conference with Modi following their bilateral talks. Starting this year, we will be increasing military sales to India by many billions of dollars, and also paving the way to ultimately provide India with the F-35 stealth fighters, Trump said. The F-35 Lightning II, developed by Lockheed Martin, is one of the world's most advanced and versatile fighter jets, known for its exceptional stealth capabilities. The F-35 can operate undetected by radar while delivering unmatched situational awareness through state-of-the-art avionics and sensor fusion technology. The F-35 is available in three distinct variants. F-35A, conventional takeoff and landing, primarily for the U.S. Air Force. F-35B, short takeoff and vertical landing, used by the U.S. Marine Corps. F-35C, carrier-based variant, designed for the U.S. Navy. These jets can reach speeds of Mach 1.6 while carrying a full internal weapons payload, thanks to the powerful F-135 engine producing 191 kN of thrust. The combination of stealth, speed, and advanced sensors makes the F-35 a formidable asset in modern aerial warfare. The acquisition of F-35 jets would address this gap, enhancing India's ability to deter potential threats and maintain regional air superiority. If finalized, India would join an elite group of nations, including NATO allies, Israel, and Japan, that operate the F-35. The F-35 program is among the most expensive military projects in history, with total costs exceeding $1.7 trillion for development, production, and maintenance. Acquiring and maintaining these jets will require significant financial resources. However, given India's status as the world's fifth largest economy and its projected growth to become the third largest, this investment could prove essential for national security. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts about F-35 offer to India in the comment section. Hey there! Are you pursuing aviation studies and struggling with aviation subjects? Don't worry. At Jetline Marvel, we bring over 10 years of experience in the aviation industry. We've crafted an amazing textbook, packed with valuable content tailored to your graduation requirements and aligned with Bangalore University's curriculum. Check out our book on Amazon and order your copy today.